I don't think it was that silent of a night for Jesus or for Mary and Joseph the night that he was born. For one of the first things you hear when a baby is born is a baby crying. And they were at a place, the place that they had been given to stay was where there were animals. They heard all different types of animals surrounding them. And where they were staying was so full, they could probably hear the voices of other people and people walking around close to them. So it wasn't that it was a quiet night. Then all these shepherds come running in and trying to tell them stuff about an angel and everything, which amazes them. Although both Mary and Joseph had had encounters with an angel before, they understood that and such. And so sometimes we don't really understand the real sounds of Christmas.